trusted partner from Suprana Cuisine, and today we are going to make railway canteen style aloo ki sabzi or simple potato curry. These are the required ingredients for our recipe. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil on medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix everything together. Keep on mixing until oil separates. Then add 1 large tomato chopped or 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Keep on cooking the tomatoes until soft and start separating oil. Now add salt to taste. Keep on mixing until oil separates. When you see that the tomatoes have become a bit soft, now add 1/4 cup of water and mix. When the tomatoes are soft and started separating oil, then at this point add 4 medium-sized boiled potatoes cut into cubes. Mix the potatoes with the tomato gravy. When the potatoes are completely mixed, add 1.5 cups of water for the gravy. When everything is mixed, then you can roughly mash few potatoes so that you can get that thick restaurant style look. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on a medium-low flame. After 10 minutes, add half cup of chopped coriander leaves and 2 to 3 green chilies. Adding green chilies is completely optional now. Again, cover and cook for 5 minutes for the final time on a low flame. Our potato curry is ready. Now let us make some puris quickly to go with it. I will share this recipe of puri in the description box below. Let's enjoy some puris with our aloo ki sabzi. The puris are soft and flaky and it goes perfect with this potato curry. Our railway canteen style aloo ki sabzi is ready and served. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon for more recipe updates.